These are corn dogs, but not your regular American corn dogs. And that inspired me to make something that you probably eat already and make it new. And this is my recipe for spaghetti on a stick. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this Korean street food inspired dish. First, I'm going to add all my ingredients to my mixing bowl. Mix them well. The ingredients are in the description of the video, but I've added all my ingredients. Here's my yeast and sugar to my milk and egg mixture. Next, I will add my flour. Now that my dough has been prepared, or my batter, I'm now going to prepare my skewers. Here is my cooked Italian sausage, which I'm going to cut each link in half to place for the base of my skewers. Now I'm going to cut my mozzarella to match the length of my links. Now that my dough is ready, I'm going to test it for proofing. Alright, it's good and ready. All my skewers are also ready. See, so much better after adding a half a cup of milk. It fully coats our skewers and makes it easier to coat it completely. Now I'm going to take the cooked spaghetti and wrap it around the cheese and the sausage as best as possible. Next, we're going to coat it in the Italian breadcrumbs. Fry each side very well, just till golden brown. Don't overcook it, and make sure your oil is not too high or you will burn the breadcrumbs very easily and make your skewers look very dark. Also, make sure you get any areas of your skewer that have not been fried or browned. watching this video. I hope you will try this recipe, and please like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.